Uh, Hello, my name is Dr.suresh, and now we're going to discuss about how to get data from web pages. And for that, what we have to do is that into Excel. Uh, for that, you have to open the Excel file. Then you have to click on data. Then from web. Okay, from web, it will show you the URL that is required. So, okay, we have not cancel. Okay, we have to cancel it. Okay, what we have to do is we have to mm, go to the web page. So suppose we'll click here and we'll click here and in this will search Reserve Bank of India, and we'll not go to the official website page. Rather we'll go for suppose Reserve Bank of India in Wikipedia. Okay, so once you're clicking it, then that's web page should open. It is taking some long time. Okay, now if we'll drag, the what is written in Wikipedia, if we'll drag it down, like history is given of RBI is given here, along with that structure, RBI organizational structure is given, then branches, support bodies, everything, subsidiary, functions, financial supervision. This is the categories of financial risk which has been given. So n number of things have been given. Bankers Bank, everything is given. Steps which have been taken. This policy rates, rate of 9 April 2025. Suppose we want to take it only. We want to take it in Excel. Okay. So how to do that? Okay. So what you have to do is, as URL is required to be, so copy the URL and go to that from web, and then here you have to paste the URL. Then you have to click on OK. Once you're clicking in OK, it will take some time, and okay, you will see that in the navigator there are n number of things which will come, and you have to select the right one, like the Reserve Bank, table 1, table 2. You can click here table 1. What is table 1? It will give something. Table 2 is giving something. Category of financial risk. Table 3 is something like that. Uh, so we require the rate. So you click on rate as, so it will show the different rates, repo rate, reverse repo rate, bank rate, like this. So we require this one. So what you'll do is that you, after clicking the right table of rates, you can click on load, okay, or you can go for transform. That depends on you. But usually, if the data is authentic, so you'll go for load, and once you're loading the data, it will come to uh, Excel file. Uh, okay, this is how it should be done. So this is the data which is there in web page, that has been integrated with the MS Excel, and this is how you'll be doing this. Thank you.